Nigeria, hello Africa, hello bakers and pastry lovers all over the world. Is your girl, your favorite baker, the recipe queen. So for the next recipe, that's my milk fruit cake recipe. So the recipe calls for 500 grams of flour, 400 grams of margarine, 350 grams of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 500 grams of eggs, that's 7 or 8, 1 cup of raisins, 1 teaspoon of milk fantasy flavor extract, then 1 cup of milk. So here is my margarine, 500 grams of flour, 400 grams of margarine,
400 grams of margarine,
350 grams of brown sugar,
350 grams of brown sugar,
2 teaspoons of baking powder,
2 teaspoons of baking powder,
500 grams of eggs,
500 grams of eggs,
1 cup of raisins,
1 cup of raisins,
1 teaspoon of milk fantasy flavor extract,
1 teaspoon of milk fantasy flavor extract by Austin and Marcel,
then 1 cup of milk,
1 cup of Hollandia milk.
So now, this is my margarine in the bowl. I'm going to add the brown sugar, then my flavor. So I'm going to mix. So here, I'm going to sieve in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So now I have to put up the mixer, then scrape the sides of the bowl. So you have to cream for like 5 minutes if you're using this kind of mixer. Then I'll have to start alternating my dry ingredients, that's the flour and the baking powder, together with the eggs into the mixture. So now I'll have to add the remaining flour. Then I'll add my raisins. Then I'll pour in the milk. So now I have to distribute the cake batter into the pans.
Okay, let's give a shout out to all our online people watching. We have over 200 people watching this live video. Round of applause. We have Event Planner Lagos. We have Nikki's Cake. Yeah, we have Kitty's Warehouse. We have Sweet Wealth Bakes. I see you, the Shoes Heaven, Olukem's Concepts, Fortune Confectionaries, Elysia Cakes Affair, Afes Cake, Amina Oyenola, Baller Rice Confectionaries, Meals and Sips. They are watching all over the world. Thank you so much. May your data be renewed. Honey Cakes is giving a shout out from Canada, all the way from Canada. Triples Cake Confectionery from Ibadan. Thank you so much. Dima Cake, I see you. Jovines, Tiola Concept Place, I see you. Thank you. Chuzu Events, Obi Amarachuku, Visco, Mira's Cake, Chizu. Thank you, Chuzu. I see you. Rainbow Touch Cakes. Thank you so much. Jane Jolly Cakes, Essence Chew Chop, Meals and Sip, Tesca Cakes, Baller Rice Confectionaries, Cherish Bites, Rena Straits, JC's Cake and More, Royal Treats Cakes, Elysia Cakes Affair, Miss Outstanding, Honey's Cake Nigeria NG, Naya's Cake O'Clock, Texas Food, Love from Canada, Love from Zimbabwe, Love from Madagascar, Love from Toronto. I see you all. Everybody's live here watching the Recipe Queen. We are on the 23rd recipe. 23rd, and we're on to the 24th recipe. Thank you so much. Somi's Blossom Treats. We'll see you. Cherries and Cream. Marilyn Dachisom, Debbie's World Confectionaries, Oyin Martins, Cherished by C Bakers, Lawless Cakery. Thank you so much. I see you all. Well done. May your data be renewed daily in Jesus' name. People are giving a shout out from Zimbabwe, a shout out from Canada, a shout out from the United Kingdom, Ireland. Everybody are here watching. Shout out to the Recipe Queen. She's giving us 23 recipe. We're on to the 24th recipe. DJ go soon play, no worry, Chuzu. DJ they on ground.